Hello everybody, Sir Leon here, and today we are looking at a very beautiful topic. But before I head into this topic, let me just tell you a quick story. The other day I went in the store. I wanted to buy a shirt and a pants. Now as soon as I entered the store, two of the persons selling in the store, they quickly approached me. And they were trying to get me to buy the shirt. And they were very nice, they behaved very nice. And then when I tried on one, that one did not work. They went and they bought another one. And I tried that one on and back and forth, but they were very, very helpful. And at the end, instead of buying one shirt, I bought 3 of them and also 3 pants. Now, this helpful approach that was demonstrated in this scenario that I encountered the other day, this may be because of the topic that we're doing today. And that topic is commission. So at the end of this video, you should be able to calculate commission gained by employees. So let's get straight into exactly what do we mean by commission. Now commission is a form of compensation paid to individuals, typically salesperson or agents, based on the sales they make. It is often calculated as a percentage of the sales amount, or sometimes it's a fixed based on the sale. So commission is basically an extra money that persons make based on the amount of items they sell for a store or for a company. And this kind of pushes persons to go above and beyond to make sure that the business does well. So as long as the business does well, the employee will also gain. So that is a form of encouragement. So let's head into the formula for commission. So commission is equal to the commission rate, which is the percentage that you gain on whatever you sell, over 100 multiplied by the sales amount. So the sales amount would be the total value of the sales, and the commission rate would be the percentage of the sales as a commission. So let's put this formula into work and do an example. First example says a salesperson sells 5,000 worth of electronics and the commission rate is 5%. Calculate the commission. So the calculated commission for this salesperson, it's simply the commission rate, in this case, which is 5%. So it's 5 over 100 multiplied by the total worth of items that she sold or the salesperson sold. So this is multiplied by 5,000. So this 0 cancels with that 0. This 0 cancels with that 0. 5 multiplied by 50 would give me $250. So the commission that the salesperson received based on the 5,000 worth of electronics that they sold is $250. And that is how you calculate commission. As easy as that. So let's look at another example. So this example says an insurance agent has a basic monthly salary of $1,500 and also earns a 3% commission on sales. So if he sells $20,000 worth of insurance in a month, calculate his total earnings for the month. So we see we have the agent, his more normal monthly salary is $1,500, which is probably in US. And the agent also makes a commission of 3% on every 3% on the. So the agent also makes 3% worth in commission. So for this month, he sold 20,000 worth of insurance. So to find his total earnings, we need to find his percentage on this sale. The commission would be 3%, which is 3 over 100 multiplied by 20,000. So this 0 cancels with that 0. This 0 cancels with that 0. And 3 times 200 would give me $600. So this insurance agent makes a commission of $600. So they wanted us to calculate his total earnings for the month. So for this month, he will make, so his total earnings would be his normal salary, which is $1,500, plus his commission, which is $600. So when we add the 1,500 plus the 600, that would give me $2,100 or $2,500. So at the end of this month, the insurance agent will make $2,100, all because he made an extra based on his commission. The next question says, a car salesperson earns 7% commission on sales. So this month, she sold cars worth $30,000. However, a deduction of $200 is made from her commission for insurance. What was her net commission? So we see we have a deduction here from the commission. So we first have to find what is 7% of the 30,000. Her commission would be 7%, which is 7 over 100 multiplied by 30,000. So this 0 cancels with that 0. This 0 cancels with that 0. 7 times 300 would give us 2,100. So the commission would be 2,100, but this is not the final commission. Our net commission would be, we have to deduct the $200 from the commission. So the net commission would be the 2,100 subtract the 200. So this would now give us 1,900. So remember, the net commission or the net salary or net anything is the price after everything comes out. It's like, you can think of it as a fishing net. When everything passes through, what is left, that is what you catch. So same thing as related to salary, net commission, that is when everything comes out. So her net commission would be $1,900. So let's move on to our next question. So this question says, a real estate agent sells property worth $100,000 or 2.5% commission. Calculate her commission. So her commission would simply be, so you can probably pause this video and try to work this one out before I finish it, and then to see if you totally understand commission. So her commission would be 2.5%, which is 2.5 over 100 multiplied by 100,000. So this 0 go with that 0, this 0 go with that 0, and 2.5 times 1,000 would give me $2,500 of commission. So if you got this question, that means you understand commission and how to find commission. So let's move on to another example. So this one says, a salesperson sells electronics worth $9,500. She receives a commission of 3% on the first $5,000 and 6% on the remaining amount. And 6% on the remaining amount. Find the total commission she earns. So we have the amount of sales is split into two. So for the first 5,000, this person will earn 3%. And for the remaining, they earn 6%. So the more they sell, the more they will get. So first of all, let's find 3% of the first 5,000. So this will be the commission, the first set of commission would be 3% on the first 5,000. So this will be 3 over 100 multiplied by 5,000. So this 0 go with that 0, this 0 go with that 0. 3 times 50 would give me $150. So this is the first set of commission that she will earn. So the second set of commission now would be, we have 9,500 and we subtract 5,000 from it. So we subtract 5,000 from 9,500, we're left with 4,500. So now we find the 6% on 4,500. So we'll work it right to the side here. So 6% would be, so the commission, the second set of commission would be 6% of 4,500. So this would be 6 over 100 multiplied by 4,500. This 0 cancels with that 0. This 0 cancels with that 0. And 6 times 45 would give me $270. The total commission will be $150 plus $270. So when we add up 150 plus $270, we see that she will earn a total commission of $420. So we saw in this example, we had to find a percentage on the first set of money, and then for the remaining set of money, we find the other percentage, and then we add all together, and that will give us the total commission. So let's look at the last question on the commission. So this question is similar to the one that we previously did, so you can probably take a pause and then work it out, and then check your answer with my answer. So this question says, a salesperson earns a commission rate of 5% on the first 10,000 of sales and 7% on any amount above 10,000. If his total sales are $18,000, calculate his total commission. So for this question, we have to find 5% of the first 10,000. This will be the first set of commission. 5%, so 5 over 100 multiplied by 10,000. This will go with that. This will go with that. 5 times 100 will be $500. And now to find the remaining, so we see that anything above 10,000 would be 7%. So we saw that the total sales he had was 18,000. So we subtract 10,000 from 18,000 to get the remaining part above 10,000. This would be 18,000 subtract 10,000. And that will simply give us 8,000. So now we find 7% of the 8,000. So the other set of commission would be 7 over 100 multiplied by 8,000. So this 0 go with that 0, this 0 go with that 0. 7 times 80 would give us $560. So we saw for the first set of commission, he gained 500, and for the second set of commission, he gained $560. So his total commission would be 500 plus $560, and this will give us a total of $1,060. So his total commission after finding for the 5% on the first 10,000 and 7% on the remaining was $1,060. And with that, this has brought us to the end of this video in which we looked at commission. So as we saw, commission is basically the percentage of the total amount of sales that you make. Sometimes they give you a direct amount without any percentage, but most times it's calculated based on a percentage. Most of the questions that you will see, almost all of the questions that you will see in CXC, they give you a percentage of the total sales. So I trust that you now have a good understanding of commission, and I'll see you in the next video.